When I was in elementary here, the chapel is not there. It started dito sa gamay na room. I think that's near the convent sa mga madre. Dito na, later on, inside there is a kinder. Okay? There's a kinder classroom po. But we were encouraged to go to the chapel every day. Sisters, Miss Grace, pinapakagto pa sila sa chapel. Kakagto pa kami mga bata. Are you sure? Pero hindi ka dala ng isipan ng asoy, ipa-exercise ka mo. Na ay hindi ka mo magkagto sa Ginoo. Kasi na-possess ka mo. Hindi ka ba lang dyan mangguna o? Sa ngayon, tabi pa kami, inihala na nila. May mga diwindin na nila. Mga tanima na, mas nobel, may mga diwindin nila. Magtaklas ko lang sa una sa grupo daw, kang Shakit, si Sister Edith, at that time. Hindi na tukot. But actually, hindi na tukot, wala nakita, but they are also created by God, only that they disobeyed God, and so they are called the fallen angels. Pero kung kaisa wala na sa classroom, wala na sa mga puha kahoy, sa classroom na. Ang tanima na sa muna dito sa babaw, may nagalapak-lapak kuno, kung may madre-dire kuno, na wala ulo. Sister, sino na ang madre ang wala ulo? I remember ang science laboratory, nagdiran sa una, library alatera, may kartata na, kay ang kartata connect na siya, pakato sa office. So hindi kami papakatuon na, ay silin, may madre dira, may nag-experiment, wala ulo. Nakita naman, nakita naman. Nakita ka mo, it is because you lack prayer. Or probably, you miss to pray for the lost souls. Probably, mga classmate naman na galiguro sila. So the first thing that we need to emulate from St. Francis is the total trust in the Lord. The second is the acceptance of the gift of suffering. St. Francis is not only responsible for the beautiful Belen, Christmas Belen that we have. It was St. Francis who first created the Belen. Not inside the church, but in a certain hill near his community. And the people would go there and observe how it is. And it was like Belen at that time. Not only the Belen, where he reflected on the beauty of Christ, but he reflected also on the passion of Christ. He was the one who introduced to us what we call this time stations of the cross.